Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Kajabi website. First, you will want to choose a memorable domain name that truly represents your brand. Next, select one of Kajabi's many professional templates to give your site a polished look. Finally, customize your site's branding by uploading your logo and choosing a consistent color palette. These initial steps are crucial for creating a strong and recognizable online presence for your business. Once your foundation is set, it is time to build out your valuable content. Kajabi allows you to create diverse offerings, from comprehensive online courses to exclusive membership sites and digital products. Structure your content into clear, logical modules or lessons, making it easy for your audience to navigate. Remember to upload high-quality videos, crisp audio, and well-written text to provide an exceptional learning experience for your customers. Kajabi provides powerful tools to market your offerings effectively. Start by designing compelling landing pages that capture visitor information and generate leads. Then, implement automated email marketing campaigns to nurture your audience and build strong relationships over time. You can also set up sophisticated sales funnels to guide potential customers seamlessly from initial interest to making a purchase, maximizing your conversion rates with ease. Before you officially launch, thoroughly preview your entire website to ensure everything looks and functions perfectly. Once satisfied, connect your custom domain to give your site a professional and branded address. After launching, continuously monitor your website's analytics to understand how users are interacting with your content. This data will provide valuable insights, allowing you to make informed adjustments and continuously optimize your site for better performance and greater success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.